Close. It's something that's cold. Crappy ska version I did one time. So the only thing that's gonna salvage this crappiness is if you sing.
My mouth is frozen, so I can't even speak. What disappointment, I had it perfectly. What I was going to bring up suddenly, stood like a stone as you stood quietly. You're making it hard for me, and all I can do is freeze. What I mean is, all I need is just a little emotion, 'cause all I see is you not feeling, and you're giving me nothing. Nice. I tried to do you right. Why'd you have to go and turn to eyes? I don't think you're knowing how hard this is for me. I'm not the type to say sorry constantly. So I swallowed my pride and I got on my knees. Still you just stood there as you stared at me. Your ego is getting old. How did you get so cold? What I mean is, all I need is just a little emotion, 'cause all I see is you not feeling, and you're giving me nothing. Nice. I tried to do you right. Why'd you have to go and turn to eyes? I'm looking at you, looking at me, what can I do but the story? It's a little late, but you know I just want you to be happy. What I understand, and you let me get away with it this time. I know you're upset that you're happy just to sit and make me, but I make a bet that you'd be better to forget about me. Even though you get a little light out the ice, baby.
Well, that was too fast, I couldn't say that.
It's frozen, so I can't even speak. But I'm not the type to say sorry constantly. What I mean is, all I need is just a little emotion, 'cause all I see is you not feeling, and you're giving me nothing. What I mean is, all I need is just a little emotion, 'cause all I see is you not feeling, and you're giving me nothing. Nice. I tried to do you right. Why'd you have to go? I tried to do you right. Why'd you have to go and turn to ice?